Sirkal mapachoka okwa mondo otie twech achiel gi 10 counties e keto tenge omenda maibiro tigo e rakruok gi achiedh nade makidek kel gi koth mar El Nino. Mae kaluwore ni jokor chal mar kor lwasi osechiwo lipot ewi kodhno manyalo rocho chenro modhuro moting'o ngima jopiny. Andrew Ondego gi ler mathoth.
Governor ma kaunti ma Tharaka Nithi kendo jakom mar komiti mochung'ne weche thieth e riwruok Governors pachoka Muthoni Njuki e kinde puodho gik thieth maromo 1,000 ma ochan chwal e counties duto ma pachoka olero ni luoro nitiere ni koth mar El Nino kide kelo tuoche ne oganda. Njuki oyango ni kotenore gi lipot mane ogol kod jolony e weche mag lwasi chuno ni nyaka keto kenge mong'ith mar rakore gi achiedh nade makide kel gi koth mar El Nino mageno chiwe kind dwe mar 10 gi dwe mar 12 higani.
These people are going to play a very critical role in the season we are going, the season of El Nino. El Nino usually comes with a lot of diseases. It also comes with an environment that ensures that the diseases spread at an alarming rate. We only ask our governors who are dealing with this, my fellow governors, to ensure that we are prepared for the El Nino. And Your Excellency, there was an ask that there was a commitment to have a fund which is going to tackle El Nino, which is being coordinated from the national level. We ask that that fund to be able to find its way even to the counties where the El Nino will be taking place, and we'll be having a boost to be able to help assist these workers to be able to work better.
Paro makama oserilwedo gi jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua maulungoro mo magala moro e kar jot mare makaren e yango yore mag rakruok gi koth mar El Nino romo mageto kelo kanyakla governors mawuok e gwenge makale midhiero e kinde koth.
Further to your directions, I have convened this Thursday at 10 a.m. the National Emergency Response Committee so that we can now discuss the level of preparedness so that we don't get caught flat-footed and we prepare as a country how to deal with the expected emergencies arising out of El Nino. In that meeting, Your Excellency, we have called the Ministry of National Treasury because of the financial implications, the Ministry of Water and Sanitation, the Ministry of Environment, the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, the Ministry of Asal, the Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Health, the Meteorological Department, the Drought Management Authority, the Kenya Defense Forces, the National Police Service, humanitarian agencies like Red Cross, international organizations, our development partners, and most important, all the 47 county governors, because in one way or another, they'll have to work with the national government to deal with the various challenges that will come with El Nino. The governors who are here, you'll find a formal invitation when you go back to the office.
Jatend piny William Ruto osingo ni Sirkal biro bedo e ongalo motelo mar chiwo sir mag omenda e bero chenro makama ka piny owacho mamalo dhi golo atamalo 50 e kinde ma 10 counties bende golo atamalo modong 50.
And therefore, in that aspect of the stipend, let us incorporate NHIF. And NHIF is usually not paid monthly. It is normally a yearly contribution. And therefore, when we are paying for CHPs, we should be able to pay the NHIF upfront so that we can ensure that our CHPs have a health cover that is comprehensive throughout the year.
Andrew Ondego, Ramogi TV.
Jokanyo malando